All right. Hey, this is just a quick thank you and FYI. First off, my goodness, 22, I couldn't even say the word, 2200 plus subscribers. Damn. I'm shocked. I'm so appreciative. Man, like, thank you. There's actually nothing else I could say. All right, so there is no plan to stop, but you can kind of see we're gonna take a little time out over here. So I'm going on vacation. That unfortunately means that there's gonna be no YouTube videos. I'm gonna give my wife the full attention that she deserves. She's been such a champ while I do all these videos and the time to reply and all that. I love it. Don't get me wrong. Believe me, such it's a blessing to do it for real. But yeah, my wife is the one that actually, doesn't get a lot of the attention because of that, right? So yeah, 1 week I'll go away. Hey, I've been talking about it a lot, and now I think it's a little more important actually. If you're not in the Discord group, man, like, it's such a beautiful little family that we're growing there, and you already know how good this YouTube is. Like, no one's mean to anyone here, no one's mean to anyone there. People have no problem being new and asking dumb questions, because hey, it wasn't that long ago I was new and asking dumb questions myself. Same with the other people in the group that are actually much better than I am, for real. So you're in really good hands if you join it. For sure, everything's free, like nothing I do. What I get out of this really is fun. Hey, I'll be honest, this is not a brag. Like, this is not a brag. I hope that this is like actually some sort of inspiration. But dude, I am paying 100% of everything from stock market money this year. From the flight to the hotel to the pocket money, like rental car, every single penny, none of it came out of my checking or my savings. It all was withdrawn from TD. All right. And I know I'm doing that because of these videos. So like, yeah, I'm not charging anyone a single dollar for membership or this or that, but dude, I sucked at being consistent. I didn't look at the market every day, even though I was a day swinger, you know what I mean? And like, this is giving me not only something to look forward to every single day, but for real, I've actually done really well. And a lot of it is the viewer request tickers, which actually blows my mind. I think more than the 2200 subscribers. Like, I can't believe I not only casted as big a net as I did, but I can't believe the good. Sorry, I'm very LA. I say stupid things like that, but like, the amazing traders that we've caught, as well as the, like, you can tell that they were raw rookies that are starting to become some really dangerous traders that we're lucky to have in our team. You know what I mean? So I've talked for way longer than I planned to on this, but I'm gonna miss you all. You can tell from this, right? So jump in the Discord, the link's in the video. Hey, I love you all so much, and I promise you, your vacation from stock money ain't that far away. And it's not even a good market right now. We've only had like brief windows of it, right? So just get ready for when things are actually good. You know what I mean? But hey, I love you all. You know that. Thank you.